In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an average line or reference line in Tableau, a helpful feature to better visualize data trends and insights. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity, so even if you're new to Tableau, you'll find this simple to follow. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. Once you're on the Tableau website, proceed to log in using your existing credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up. After logging in, you'll need to open a workbook. You can either select an existing one from your dashboard or create a new workbook, depending on where you want to work with your data. Now, focus your attention on the tabs near the top of your screen. Here, you'll find the Analytics tab, which is conveniently located next to the Data pane. Click on this Analytics tab to open up a range of functionalities that Tableau offers to enhance your data visualizations. Among the various options available in the Analytics pane, look for the average line element. Once you've found it, simply drag and drop this element onto your current visualization. This action will prompt Tableau to ask where you'd like to apply the average. You'll be given the choice to apply it to the entire table, a specific pane, or just a cell, allowing for flexibility based on your specific data insights requirements. With the average line now in place on your visualization, the next step is customization. To alter its settings and make it suit your needs more precisely, right-click directly on the newly added reference line. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Reference Line. In the Edit Reference Line dialog box, you'll have the opportunity to customize various aspects of the average line. For instance, you can change the label to something more descriptive, like Average Sales. You can also adjust the line style by choosing a different color, altering its thickness, or changing its pattern to be dashed or solid. Additionally, you have the option to modify the tooltip, ensuring that it displays any additional information you might want. Continue within the Edit Reference Line dialog, now navigating to the Label section. Here, you can choose how the average value is displayed. Opt for either Value or Custom. If you choose Custom, you can create a personalized label. For example, you might set it to read Average, followed by the automatically calculated value. This personalization helps make your data story clearer and more specific to your audience's needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized an average line in your Tableau visualization, providing more depth and insight into the data you're presenting. I hope you found this guide helpful, and thank you for watching this tutorial.